జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 885th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం ఫ్రమ్ 94th శ్లోక. ఓం విరోచనాయ నమః. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattaru Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattaryah Sri Rangesa Purohitah Sri Vatsankasuta Sriman Shreyase me astu bhuyase. ఓం విరోచనాయ నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that you are known as Virochana because you are the Antaryami of Virochana, who is Abhimana Devata of Samvatsaram, which is also known as Virochana. Samvatsaram is known as Virochana because Surya Bhagavan, while traveling in his chariot, illuminates the Samvatsaram in two parts separately. One time Uttarayanam and other time Dakshinayanam. That is why Samvatsaram is known as Virochana and Samvatsara Abhimana Devata is known as Virochana, because Paramatma, you are the Antaryami of Virochana, you are also known as Virochana. O Srimannarayana, not only that, you are the one who takes your devotees to your supreme abode, Paramapadasthanam, having him travel through this divine world which is known as Samvatsara Lokam. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Virochanaya Namaha. ఓం విరోచనాయ నమః. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart as an Antaryami, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana Narayana Narayana Srimanarayana Narayana Narayana. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.